Hi guys, I'm Nia from FARET Sales Department. FARET specializes in automotive thermal management for 24 years. We have great confidence in our products and service because we can track the whole chain of developing, producing, selling by ourselves. FARET supplies more than 60 well-known automotive brands in over 100 countries. Our high-selling products include Radiator, condenser, oil cooler, intercooler, new energy cooling system products, and so on. Also, we have amazing workshops. Come with me to visit our production line. Tianjin factory was established in 2012. You will see different production line here, not only for radiator, but also condenser and mechanical, and so on. Look there! Seems like a pianist in stamping workshop. We got many advanced and high-efficiency stamping robots working here. This is our assembly line. After put the plate, tube, fin into the full automatic assembling facilities, we will get a perfect and beautiful core. And then it will be brazed by furnace, stamped with tank, pasting, and packing. Finally, ready for shipping. Well, do you think that's all? It was to mention that FARET also gets strong support from advanced production management system and excellent team. We are ready for a bright future and opportunities. If you want to know more about our products, welcome to visit our factory in Tianjin, Guangzhou, Zhaoqing. We see you there.